So Madeira has an outermost region of the EU, has been granted a state aid that has been approved and reapproved since more or less the 80s on the taxable profit that they derive from abroad. If you derive profit from Portuguese clients, then the corporate tax rate is the normal one here in Madeira, 14.7%. If you are a shareholder of these companies and you don't reside in Portugal, the additional benefit that you have is the dividends paid out by the Madeira company will be tax-free, unless, of course, you are in a blacklisted jurisdiction. This works really well for consultancy business, for trading operations, for shipping, for cryptocurrency. Unfortunately, no, because that would be more or less equivalent to compared to an asset, and any financial activity or insurance activity is a red line with the regime. So you could put it for the simple fact that your corporate...
So what other conditions they should follow?
Yeah, the other conditions, if you want to incorporate in the Madeira International Business Center, is you need to follow economic substance requirement rules, which is you need to at least employ one person that resides here in Madeira, regardless of their nationality. And if you employ between 1 and 5 people, you need to invest 75,000 euros within a 2-year deadline in tangible or intangible assets that can be used for the company to generate profit. If you employ more than 6 people, you don't need this 75k investment. You just need to be sure that according to your taxable profit, so after all tax deductible expenses are computed by the accountant, your taxable profit, if it's up to 2.7 million roughly, you only need 1 or 2 employees. If you go beyond the 2.7 million, you need an additional employee, and so on.